Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I am today here to show some segments which is related to my bag. So today I will show you what is inside in my bag and all the content that I mostly travel to many of the places with that single bag only. And why that single bag? Because guys, that bag is one of So guys, this is the bag which is one of my favorite, and I normally take this with me every time if I go to any place, either it is mall, shopping, or so just get started. So guys, let me show you what I have in my bag. So guys, this is the first thing which I normally take with myself, because these are the Johnson's Baby wet wipes. As we know, it's a summertime and most of the time we need some wipes to so we need it mostly to wipe our faces because it's summertime. So this is the first thing which I always take care with me guys in my bag. Next, what I have, I will show. Okay, the next thing which we have guys is the moisturizer. It is the moisturizer from aloe vera gel. This is the best moisturizer guys for the summer, because as it's made up of, this is best for your skin guys, because this is made of aloe vera, and as we all know that for summer aloe vera is the best product to use. So I like this one. I also recommend. Okay, what next I have in my bag is this is the Vanessa perfume guys. So this is the very necessary things. We all apply many of the perfumes, deodorants to smell good. So this is the one which I apply, and the fragrance is for the Vanessa is very pleasant. So you can also try. The next which I have in my bag is this is the moisturizer from Pond's. So guys, this is the next thing which I have in my bag. It's a moisturizer from Pond's, and this is the very super light gel moisturizer guys. This is what I have recently ordered from Nykaa. So from last few days I am applying this one, and the result is very awesome. So yes, it's good. You can also try this one. The next which I have in my bag is these. So guys, this is the specs which I usually put on my face when I have to read something. So this is one for my eyesight. What next we have? Okay, I have also the comb, because sometimes we need it. This is what guys I needed, but as you know from the last few days I have done the keratin, so now I haven't used it very frequently, but yes, I put this one in my bag whenever I need it. Then guys, I have some rubber band also. These are the rubber bands in case I need to tie up my hairs, because I cannot flaunt my hairs every time due to dust and all things. Then I also have one tick. Then the next I have, this is my wallet. This is the one which is very needed, because I have to take. Okay, the another is also, there is one more small pouch, a kind of wallet in which I put all my cards. Then after that guys, I have few lipsticks in my bag, and these are the lipsticks from Lotus, because I like this brand, and the shades are almost the nude ones, and these are. Then after that I also have one lipstick from Nude, and the color is rusty guys. So if you want, in this case, this is the one which I already have applied on my lips, and this is the one I use. So guys, this is the one which I applied on the daily basis, just because I loved a lot the shade of this lipstick. If you can see, I have just make it half. This is the quantity of this one. Next, what we have in my bag is the lip balm. This is the one lip balm from Wadi guys, and the flavor is of blueberry. So this is the one which I also ordered recently from Nykaa guys. So you can. So guys, you can also order this one from Nykaa, and you can try this one. The smell is also very pleasant, and as it's considered of so guys, do check this one, and I hope you will love it as I am loving it, this one. And I think what next we have, yes, for the moment, as you know that the corona cases are so guys, as you know that the recently the corona cases are increasing day by day. So in that case, if sometime I go outside and miss my mask, so I always put one additional mask in my bag. So guys, that's all in my bag, and you have seen all the things in my bag. I hope you like this video. Do comment me, and also let me know if you want some videos more. I will definitely create some. So that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you like it, and do let me know in my comment section by letting me know how you love this all the products, and I hope that you like this video.